Welcome to channel. Today we explore how food connects with finance in everyday life without complex terms and without heavy jargon. We focus on simple flows of money around meals and kitchens and how choices in food shape household budgets, community growth and long-term stability. Food is more than taste. It is a daily expense and a constant part of planning. When families decide what to cook, they balance cost with nutrition. Every grain, vegetable and fruit carries a value, and that value affects how much remains in pocket at the end of the week. Think about a basket of rice, vegetables and spices. When purchased in bulk, the cost per meal drops. This is a clear example of efficiency in spending. Food teaches discipline because it requires regular purchase and careful storage. Waste means loss and smart storage means savings. Street food stalls show another side of finance. They are small enterprises built on low overhead and quick turnover. Each plate sold adds to daily income and supports a family behind the counter. This cycle demonstrates how food becomes livelihood and how simple pricing decisions influence survival. Restaurants illustrate scaling of food finance. They manage staff, rent, utilities and ingredients while setting menu prices that cover expenses and allow growth. Every dish served is part of a calculation that ensures sustainability and customer satisfaction. Farmers markets highlight community finance. Local growers bring produce directly to buyers, cutting middle layers and keeping more value within the community. This strengthens rural households and urban nutrition at the same time. Food waste management is also financial. When leftovers are reused or composted, households save money and communities reduce disposal costs. Creative use of surplus ingredients is not only ecological but also economical. Seasonal spikes in food spending. Families allocate larger portions of budget to sweets, meats and special dishes. This reflects cultural importance but also requires foresight to avoid overspending. Global trade of food items like spices, tea and grains demonstrates how regions specialize and exchange value across borders. Each shipment represents balance between demand and supply and shows how food connects economies worldwide. Nutrition choices affect long-term financial health. Balanced diets reduce medical expenses while poor diets increase them. Food therefore is not only immediate cost but also future saving strategy. Education around food finance is vital. Teaching children how to cook simple meals and understand cost of ingredients builds awareness early and prepares them for independent living. Technology adds another layer. Apps that track grocery lists and meal plans help households stay within budget. Digital tools simplify planning and reduce impulse buying. Urban farming and rooftop gardens show how self-production of food reduces reliance on external purchase. Every tomato grown at home is a direct saving and a lesson in sustainability. Catering services for events demonstrate specialized food finance. They calculate portions per guest and align cost with service quality. Precision in planning ensures profit and customer trust. Food delivery platforms highlight convenience finance. Customers pay for time saved and businesses manage logistics to keep service smooth. This balance of cost and comfort is modern food economy. Cultural dishes also carry financial meaning. Some recipes require rare ingredients and higher spending while others rely on simple staples. Understanding this helps households plan diverse menus without straining budgets. Food connects generations. Grandparents pass down recipes that are not only cultural treasures but also economic wisdom, teaching how to stretch ingredients and maximize flavor with minimal expense. In conclusion, food is a daily classroom of finance. It teaches budgeting, saving, efficiency and foresight. Every meal is a calculation, every recipe is a plan and every bite is part of a larger cycle of value and survival. This video reminds us that food is not just nourishment, it is a living example of finance in action, shaping households, communities and futures through choices made at the table.